What we see here is a 48-inch Montgomery Ward Evergo. 48, yeah, spinner. As you can see, it is switch housingless and nutless, and using a round motor, as we call them. Interesting trait about this motor is the strange little indent, weird ring in the bottom of it. The fan is brown with what used to be, keyword used to be, brass badges, which have since tarnished. Brass plated stamped steel. The fan came with a 5-speed choke or wall control. Some call them chokes for some stupid reason. I just call them wall controls. I guess the reason they call them choke is because they use a speed coil, which is also known as a choke coil. I have this fan rigged up to a solid-state variable speed control just for the sake of ease of use, sake of convenience. So we're gonna turn it all the way to low. I have the trim pot set for I think a 36-inch fan right now, or more specifically a Moss Caribbean Breeze I was previously using it with, and yet the trim pot still works with this, as the setting is perfect for a normal low. Ballast is kind of loud. The motor is cast aluminum. Evergo / Union intended to switch, or, randomly shift between casting with aluminum and casting with iron. So you never know what you'll get when you find fans like these. So, I've been told that this fan with the ring in the bottom of the motor is a bit earlier, possibly late 70s, but I've yet to confirm that. But the fan also has a threaded downrod, 3/4 inch threaded downrod, which they stopped using around 1982, 1981, 82, around there. Which is another indication that it is a bit of an older fan. Anyway, let's turn it up a notch. Now we're up to a bit of a medium low. Turn up another notch. Now we're into a normal medium speed. Maybe a medium high. Up another notch. Yeah, it seems like high-ish. Or at least you would think it's high. Yeah, Evergo's and Unions do the same thing. They don't really respond too well to solid-state controls. Some fans really do. Particularly the Moss Caribbean Breeze. Those things are actually very, very quiet with a solid state, which is odd. Do you think that's high? Nope, not high. That is high. Evergo's Unions, they were all designed for high speed and low torque. Every motor put into these things was basically an industrial motor. So they put wood blades on them with a shallow pitch to make these fans more decorative, more appealing to residential environments. So, you get the high speed and the low pitch. So what basically happens is the fan works more off of speed in order to move the air rather than pitch. There's a slight bit of wobble, but nothing terrible. Let's turn it off and let it coast. I think one of the lead wires is has a little too much slack in the motor. You can hear a little bit of clicking in it. And there you have it, a 48-inch Montgomery Ward Evergo spinner.